What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. In this video, what I want to do is reveal to you exactly how I generated a $500 affiliate commission yesterday into my PayPal account. Now you can see on the screen right now that screenshot. That was a payment that came in totally on autopilot. I was actually at the beach yesterday. I'm in beautiful Brazil right now. And what I want to do in this video is, if you're someone that's maybe struggled to make money online, maybe you're someone that has just been brand new, maybe you just want to start, making money to quit a job or to travel, I'm going to break down what I did, the simple steps I took. So by the end of this video, you can go out there, copy the exact strategy I used, and start to generate income. Okay, so without further ado, let me hop on my laptop and share with you over the shoulder what you can start doing today to start to generate income. All right, my friend, now I'm on my computer right now. The very first thing that I did was I found an affiliate program to promote, because if you want to generate commissions or money online, the easiest way to do it is not go out there, try to create your own products, do all the testing of the sales pages, create all that sales material. It's just simply find a product that's already converting well, already selling well, and just find other people that are interested in buying that product. And when you put those two together, you can earn a commission. Now, what I'm going to share with you in this video as you keep watching is how you can literally set this up on autopilot, and you can receive money while you're hanging out with your friends and family, while you're relaxing on an ideal vacation spot, or even while you're sleeping. You can realistically wake up, check your phone or your laptop, and see another $500 commission, another $2,000 commission deposit into your bank account. Okay, this is absolutely incredible. Now, real quick, I want to share with you the exact affiliate program that I personally use, because I want to be transparent. A lot of people on these YouTube videos, they don't actually share with you the actual thing that they're promoting in fear of competition. But I believe in abundance. I believe that there's billions of people in the world that are interested in making more money. So there's no competition at all. And I want to share with you, first off, results of other people, because I shared with you that I made $500 in a commission yesterday, but I want to share with you inside the Facebook group of this affiliate program, other people getting results. So you can see that it doesn't matter what your age is, it doesn't matter what your background. If you follow what I'm going to share in this video, you can start to get results. Okay, so I'm inside the Facebook group right now, and you can see that 49 minutes ago, this person posted that they made $2,000. Okay, this was a commission that came in on autopilot. This person right here, Ben, thanks for the great opportunity. They made $100. Okay, I'm not going to share a ton of them, but you can see every hour people are making. 49 minutes ago, another $2,000 commission. So far, $3,000 day. Okay, and they're constantly sharing results. $2,250 came in. This person, $4,000 yesterday. Okay, so people are making great income with this program. Okay, so you can feel good when you promote the same thing that you're also going to get results. Many of these people are brand new. Now, what is the affiliate program that I personally used for the $500? It's called Profits Passport. Now, I've done a lot of videos on my channel of in-depth review. I'm not going to do that in this video. This is just exactly what I did and what anyone can do in about 30 to 60 minutes a day to quickly generate income into their PayPal account or bank account. Now, there's going to be a link directly below in this video if you want to actually get access to a private invitation-only link to actually join Profits Passport, create an account, and start to promote this, because you can see the results are absolutely incredible. Now, how it works basically very quickly is you would go to the link below, and eventually you're going to get taken to this page. Now, you would watch this full webinar. This is a training that David, the creator, actually shares how to start generating sales and how to set up your account and things like that. There's many different income streams. Okay, you would just sign up for an account in each of the income streams. And then using this tutorial here, you'd put your customized coded to you affiliate ID, and then you'd save. Okay, so you do that with each of the income streams. So you would basically have your own IDs in all of them. And then all you would do is get this link, which is your affiliate link, which is all I did, and you would start to do the next step in this process. Okay, so again, once you set up your different income streams, you watch this video, follow it, grab your link. Okay, now this link goes to this page. Now, I want to share with you a lot of times if you go out there and try to promote products online, if you go to ClickBank or JVZoo, which are other places you can find products, they're not going to give you a capture page. They're not going to give you a done for you funnel, and they're not going to give you follow-up emails that start working on autopilot to follow up with your leads. Okay. The reason this system is great is because he gives you a capture page. Now, when someone goes to your link, okay, you send people this link, which I'll share how to do that in a second, how I did it and how you can do it. When they put their email here and they click this button, now they're added to a email list, and David will actually follow up on your behalf, sending people more information, sending people more sales material until they decide to buy. And when they do, you're going to get credit and you're going to earn money. And that's how these people are generating money on total autopilot. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. Now, how do you get people to your link? Okay, that's what I really want to touch on in this video, because a lot of people, they try to promote products online, affiliate products. How do you get people to your link? Well, there's many different ways. What I recommend you do if you want to work very little and earn a lot is you focus on social media, sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. The reason is you can reach massive amount of people very easily just by clicking your mouse, okay, or clicking a button on your smartphone. You can post, and a lot of people can see it depending on how many friends or followers you have. As you follow my channel and you learn how to start building, how I built over 23,000 followers on my Instagram, how I grew this YouTube channel. As you follow these simple steps, you're going to get a bigger and bigger audience to market to generate the income you truly want quickly, okay? But what I want to highlight is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, because these are the big three, and chances are you're on one of these a lot, and you want to pick one of these, okay, and use this method I'm about to share. So once you have your link, now what we want to do is start getting people to go to this link, because the more people that go to this page, put their email in and get followed up with, the more people that will buy and the more money you'll rapidly generate. Okay, so Facebook. I've done in-depth on each of these, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, but I'm going to give an overview quickly on how I personally started to do this and how you can do it too. So with Facebook, what you want to understand is if you want to just even promote for free on your profile, it's all about you. Okay, a lot of people, they have like a dog picture here, or like a cover picture that's like not them, or like it's blurry or outdated. You want to make this you, because people buy products from people, not companies, not faceless profiles. They buy from people. So you want to be someone that people like, someone that people know, okay? And what you want to do on your Facebook profile is basically two things. You want to be sharing value and then pitching, okay? So value is basically sharing inspirational quotes, tips, okay, how people can make money. And then pitching is basically where you're going to make a post to get people to comment or reach out to you for more information. And when they do, that's when you're going to send them your link. Now, a lot of people on these Facebook, Instagram, they just constantly pitch, and people get turned off. And if you've done that in the past, if you just keep spamming your links in different Facebook groups, that's why you're not making money. People need to come to know, like, and trust you for them to buy from you, okay? So that's what you want to understand with Facebook. You want to brand yourself, and you want to be posting, okay, value, inspirational quotes. You can see I got 192 likes, okay? As you build your friends list, as you use the strategies I share on this channel, as you stay subscribed, you're going to learn how to boost your engagement so more people see your pitch, okay? And then you can see, right here, this was like a pitch, okay? And it doesn't maybe look like a pitch, but it's subtle, okay? 73 people liked it, but I give some value, and then I say, hey, message me if you want info on how to start, achieving this. And then if they reached out to me, I sent them my affiliate link, okay? Now with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, what you want to understand is the best thing you can share are results, okay? Now, how do you get results? Well, once you become a member at the link below, you'll get added to this Facebook group, okay? Or you can request access, and you can basically just go through any of these results, screenshot them, okay, whether on a phone or a snipping tool on your PC, and now you can post this on your Facebook. You can say, hey, look at this amazing result someone got. If you're interested in learning more, reach out to me. And then when they do, you send them more information. Very, very simple. Now, Instagram, it's very similar. You want to brand yourself. You want to have a picture of yourself. I put my website. Okay, now this is a mass domain that eventually goes to here. Okay, and you put it in your bio. And what you can do is share pictures, okay, whether lifestyle, whether, inspirational quotes are great for Instagram. And then you can share results. Now, I don't use Instagram that much for marketing. It works incredibly well. I just focus mostly on YouTube and Facebook, but Instagram works incredibly well. And you can, on your story, post a result. Okay. And I did that actually. If I go here, you can see right there, I posted that I received $500, and then I give them a call to action. Hey, click the link in my bio. Okay, 91 people saw that so far, and a lot of people went and clicked this link. Okay, so that's another way you can use Instagram. And then last but not least, YouTube. Okay, I use YouTube. How do I use YouTube? Well, you're watching this very video right now, and chances are you're learning some value. You're starting to, hopefully know, like, and trust me. And so if I recommend a product, a lot of people will decide to buy. A lot of people will go to the link below this video, go through the training, position themselves as high as they can in the highest level, and decide to buy. Okay, so it works incredibly well. If a lot of people are shy on camera. If you can get over that fear, if you can imagine the camera is a close friend or family member and you're just speaking to that one person, that's what I tell my students. That's what helps a lot of people. Then you're going to be able to easily, effortlessly overcome your fear of doing videos. Just post one video. Once you post one video, you realize it's really not that bad. And then you post another one and another one. And at this date, I've done, over 400 videos, and now I can do it in my sleep. And it doesn't really, it gets normal with anything. Practice creates, comfort, right? The more you practice, the more comfortable you actually get. So I hope this video helped you. I wanted to break down how I generated $500 yesterday in a single commission on autopilot. If you want access to that affiliate program, there's going to be an invitation only link. Go down below, follow this training, okay? Fill out the different income streams, position yourself as high as you can in each one so you can earn the most money possible. And then follow this, what I just shared. You'll also receive training from me if you do decide to join through me on how to start getting more leads and sales. But that's it, my friend. If you like the video so I know to make more. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss out on my latest training. And I really hope you got value. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next training.